Hey everyone, today we are at Whetstone Auto. It's in Queens. We are standing on the right side of Fortune Avenue between 154th Street and 152nd Street, facing 154th Street. And on the right side, you would see the parking lot as well, and Whetstone, New York 11357. Right now, we are actually right at the shopping center. So again, if you want to use a GPS, use Whitestone Shopping Center, and on the right side, that's where you see the parking lot belongs to. All right, so let's get into the traffic, and we're just gonna show you the Whitestone area. What does it look like? Guys, just be careful when you're pulling out. Make sure it's most of the heavy traffic, and they wants to go to the malls, Western Shopping Center, and just be careful on that. Okay, and also on the oncoming traffic, there's a lot of car. They also wants to get into the parking lot, so just be careful when they're making the left turn from the ongoing traffic. Okay. Okay, so we're just gonna make a left turn on the light. Again, as you can see, there is a no yellow line, so just be careful. All right, there's nobody's coming. We're gonna make a left turn, and on this street, on 154th Street, as you can see, there is a Q15 bus run here on 15th. 154th Street. And if you make a left turn, and you see the avenue is going down, okay, and 11, 12, and coming up. So most of them are two-way. I think on the 12th Avenue it seems like it's in one ways. Okay, so we'll go probably one more down. Okay, we'll make a right turn on 11th Avenue, and seems like this is gonna be one-time stop, and it's always stop. And we're gonna make a right turn. And again, it's very narrow, and it's gonna be two-way. One side is one way, on the right side is gonna be two-way, guys. Again, we just make a right turn from 154th Street. Just be careful for a narrow road. We'll make a right turn again on 157th Street. This is a regular stop sign. You're gonna stop two times. Just when you park, you wanna be a little more to the right. Okay, we are at 111th Avenue and 157th Street. Okay. Alright. Again, we're 157th Street. It's two-way. We'll make a right turn at 12 Road. Again, there is a no middle lane, yellow lane, just a narrow two-way street. Just be careful, people will open the door, they will unseat. I just want to pass 154th Street a little bit down. Okay, we are at 12 Road and 154th Street. So this is a regular stop sign. We will stop two times. Be careful, this is a very busy street, guys, on. And it's 154th Street, usually very busy, and there is also bus runs. Just be careful. Okay. So usually, they might ask you to do some broken U-turn, K-turn, three-point turns, or parallel parking. Okay, we'll make a left turn on 152th Street. So it's very narrow. We're making a left turn on 152th Street. and if you go straight and you see parking lot, we'll make a right turn on this on 14th Avenue and 152 Street, and there's a yellow line. We'll make one more right turn. This is also busy. We're at 14th Avenue. Okay, here's the green light. I'll make a right turn. So there's some parking garage, people coming back and forth. You're gonna signal to the right and you will go. Just be careful when you are passing a person. Okay. On 12 we're gonna make a right turn again. Again, this is the always stop sign. Full stop, let the pedestrian go all the way. Here it's clear, we're gonna make a right turn again. You see, even this very narrow, just make sure you give way the other person so they can pass and you can pass. We just at 152 Street, we're just gonna go one more down and go 154. So we're gonna stop 2 times. This is a regular stop sign. We'll stop here again. Clear, nobody's here. We'll go. Again, this is mostly on the residential area and people will be going out, in and out on the car. And it's very narrow. We'll make a right turn on 154 Street again. So be careful. Again, there's going to be 2 times stop. I'm gonna stop here again. 2 times, clear. Nobody's coming. All right. And we'll make a right turn again to 14th Avenue. Okay, and we're back to the road to side. Okay, we'll pull over to the right, or we're gonna make a left turn and we stop by the parking lot. Okay, just be careful when you're making a turn. People also coming in and out. Okay, and we're just gonna pull over to the right here, so then you can see the road to set again. And here. Okay, and usually, and the road to set usually happen on Wednesday. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Please do subscribe to the channel.